Hi everyone, I'm Yenbo, the developer of Juchain. From now on, I will tell you about the developer turtle of Juchain. First of all, you are welcome to experience and use Juchain, a revolutionary high-performance Layer 1 blockchain, to refine the future of the traffic and the user growth on the chain. It aims to become the traffic center and the user growth engine on the chain. Low and innovative traffic finance model, Juchain has reshaped the blockchain infrastructure to provide seamless connectivity for user, developers, and applications. Building a Web3 project shouldn't stop because gas is too expensive, deployment is too slow, and the ecological layers holding is too high. Juchain develops a lighter, faster, free developer experience. Juchain is full compatible with the Ethereum ecosystem tools, whether it's a token launch, an FT issue, or a DApp project on the chain. You can start quickly in the familiar way of EVM. Juchain uses the self-developed Druposa consensus main chain with 1 second block and 2 to 3 seconds confirmation, and the transaction cost is as low as 0.001 Joule, means it's hundreds of times lower than Ethereum. Fully compatible with EVM, high support supports massive concurrency and model design pave the way for future upgrades. Whether it's microtransactions, high-frequency finance, or complex protocol, Juchain can handle it with easy. At Juchain, we believe that the technology is not code tool. It's a bridge connecting people and let idea fall to the growth. All builders come from different country and religions and different languages. Some are deploying contracts, some are starting Solidity, but they have a common goals on the chain, turn idea into reality. From Hong Kong and Dubai to Shenzhen and Seoul, the developers of Juchain are writing the next line of code around the world, and this focus is not an activities, it's a future that's happening. Developers are the heart of Juchain. We offer comprehensive technical and marketing support to help you quickly build and roll out the app. Whether you are an indie developer or a project, Juchain provides the infrastructure, tools, and a community to make your app travel in an ecosystem of invitation. Join Juchain and your app will reach millions of users directly, accelerating growth. Juchain is not only a blockchain, but is also a revolution of traffic on the chain. Welcome to onboarding Juchain and join the on-chain revolutions. I will make a developer tutorials about the Juchain later, and welcome every developer who builds application on Juchain. Join us, visit the Juchain. Come and join on Discord and Telegram communities to start your blockchain journey. Follow us, subscribe to the channel, and the next episode will teach you how to get started with Juchain. Thank you, everybody. My name is Yimbo. See you next time.